Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TikTok. Access your account safely step by step clearly. Open the TikTok app on your phone or go to TikTok.com on a trusted web browser. Check that the app is the official TikTok app and that the website address is spelled correctly. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right in the app or click Login on the website. Choose a login method that matches how you created your account. Select Use Phone or Email if you registered with your phone number or email address. Enter your phone number or email carefully and double-check for typos. Tap Next and type your password exactly as you created it, respecting uppercase and symbols. Tap Login and wait for the account to load fully. If you used a username login option, select it and enter your username and password. If you used Facebook, Google, or Apple to sign up, choose the same provider to avoid login errors. When redirected to the provider page, confirm you are signing in on a secure screen and not a pop-up scam. Approve any permission prompts only if they look normal and are clearly from TikTok. If TikTok asks for a verification code, choose SMS or email and request the code. Open the message, copy the code, and paste it into TikTok without sharing it with anyone. If you do not receive the code, check spam folders or request a new code after a short wait. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and select Phone or Email Recovery. Create a new strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using the same password you use for your email or other social media accounts. After logging in, go to Settings and Privacy from your profile menu. Turn on two-step verification for extra protection and follow the setup prompts. Review the devices list or security alerts and remove any device you do not recognize. Check your linked email and phone number to ensure they are current and under your control. Never log in on public or shared devices, and avoid saving passwords on devices you do not own. If you must use public Wi-Fi, prefer a trusted network and avoid entering passwords on unknown hotspots. Log out immediately if you notice unusual activity like new follows, messages, or changed settings. Report suspicious emails or messages that ask for your TikTok password or verification code. Keep your TikTok app updated to the latest version for security fixes and stability. Close the app and reopen it once to confirm your session is stable and your account is accessible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.